How can a supplier enter a Ukrainian market and start working with MPU? Let's start with the basics. In our country, the public procurement sector is regulated by two key documents. The first is the Law on Public Procurement. It defines the general rules for the procedure itself, as well as the rights and obligations of parties. The second is the Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine's Resolution 1178, which regulates procurement during martial law and expedites processes. Within the framework of these two documents, we conduct procurements at MPU. To prepare for this process, we actively use the market consultation tool. This is an important stage that allows us, even before the procedure is announced, to better understand the market situation, gather feedback from suppliers, and clarify or adjust medical and technical requirements. For this, we use SAP Ariba. This is a platform for purchasing and supply chain management that unites companies worldwide. It covers all the key stages of the process, from finding partners and market consultations to concluding contracts and cultivating further cooperation. How to get started with SAP Ariba? 3 steps are enough. First, fill out a short questionnaire where you indicate basic information about your company and select the categories of products that you offer. Second, create an account in the SAP Business Network. If your company already uses SAP, then registration is not required. Third, fill out your profile. Indicate the structure of the company, beneficiaries, experience, certificate, and product categories. This is actually your digital presentation. The information you provide at this stage is very important because it will be needed both for MPU compliance verification and for us to understand in which areas you can participate in our procurements. All further communication also takes place through SAP Ariba. You receive requests for information or proposals. You can clarify requirements, discuss details, and submit documents. So now let's move on to the procurement procedures themselves. It's time to get acquainted with Prozoro. This is an online platform where customers conduct purchases and market participants submit the offers. The main principle of Prozoro is that everyone sees everything. This means that all stages of the procurement, from the announcement to the signing of a contract, are open and available for viewing. This does not even require registration. In order to participate, you have to create an account on one of the authorized platforms of the system. To work with Prozoro, you need to go through several steps. Choose an authorized platform. Register and create an account. Fill out a company profile. Set up notifications to track purchases that interest you. And of course, submit offers. One of the main procurement procedures that we use is open bidding, in which several suppliers compete in an electronic auction, with the winner offering the most favorable conditions for MPU. However, the system allows participation of one participant in the procurement. The legal period of time for submitting offers is up to 30 days, but under martial law, it can be reduced to 7 days. In general, the procedure takes approximately from 15 to 40 days. What is it important to you as a participant at this stage? Carefully study the tender documentation. Check whether your offer meets the requirements. Prepare a full package of documents. Think over a strategy for participating in the auction in advance. By the way, keep in mind that the first offer at the auction for a reduction will be made by a participant with the lowest price. Why is it so important to familiarize yourself with the tender documentation in advance? Because it contains requirements for the product, delivery terms, payment terms, qualification criteria, and the draft contract. And this information helps you decide whether you will participate in the procurement. If all the conditions suit you, proceed with the preparation of a tender offer. This is a complex and lengthy process where you have to show that your product meets all the requirements of the tender documentation in terms of quality, characteristics, and quantity. In case of an auction, the Prozoro electronic system automatically selects the most economically advantageous offer. However, before announcing a winner, MPU checks the winner following the qualification criteria stipulated in the tender documentation. For example, does the supplier have proven experience in implementing similar contracts or proven financial capacity? It is worth paying special attention to the difference between purchasing medicines and medical devices. In the first case, both registered and unregistered medicines may be eligible for participation. The requirements for such medicines you will find in the tender documentation. However, keep in mind that at the time of shipment delivery, the medicine must be registered in Ukraine. As for medical devices, the situation is somewhat different. Usually, it is necessary to provide a document confirming the assessment of the device's compliance with technical regulations. Regardless of the type of product, you also have to provide documents confirming its quality and safety. For example, quality or analysis certificates, declarations, etc. Without them, your participation in the tender becomes impossible. If we're talking about a purchase of equipment, the list of required documents is somewhat similar to that for medical devices, but there is a difference. MPU purchases equipment within a separate budget program of the Ministry of Health of Ukraine, funded by the European Union via the Ukrainian Facility Tool. What does this mean for you as a supplier? The equipment has to be manufactured in countries that are eligible under the terms of the Framework Agreement. These are mostly European countries, and your company has to be registered in one of them. An important point is that only residents of Ukraine or foreign companies with a representative office in Ukraine can participate in equipment purchases. Therefore, before participating in purchases funded via the Ukrainian Facility Tool, it is necessary to check whether the goods' country of origin is among the aforementioned countries. Also, before concluding a contract, we check on suppliers, beneficiaries, and counterparty. Another option is Prozoro Market. This is an electronic catalog that serves as a marketplace where public customers can announce purchases and businesses can sell their products. Procurements here are much faster, last from 5 to 14 days. Do not involve any auction, and winner is determined by the lowest price. However, only pre-qualified suppliers can participate in this procedure. And this procurement format is also relevant only for residents. What advice can we give you? Be sure to enable notifications from Prozoro to promptly receive information about new purchases according to your profile and to have enough time to prepare a proposal. You have the right to report violations if you witness them during an open bidding in Prozoro. This happens through the system itself, and complaints are considered by the relevant commission of the Anti-Monopoly Committee of Ukraine. It is responsible for protecting the rights of participants in public procurement and making final decisions on complaints. If you do not agree with the decision of the AMCU, you have the right to appeal it in court. How to file a complaint? It is enough to send an electronic report in the Prozoro system, attaching materials confirming the violation. Be sure to carefully check all the information you submit before doing so. Make sure it is accurate and truthful. Please note that this process is chargeable, so the complaint is registered in the system and becomes public only after payment. Then the procurement procedure is automatically suspended. The customer cannot conclude a contract, cancel the tender, or make other decisions. They have access only to actions that will help eliminate the violation. Let's figure out what exactly you can appeal about. Tender documentation or changes to it, any decisions, actions, or inaction of the customer at different stages of the procurement, and the decision to cancel the tender. Keep in mind that the complaint must be filed within the established deadlines, or the system will simply not accept it. Also, paragraph 63 of the Government Resolution 1178 outlines a list of grounds for the appellate body to leave the complaint without consideration. There are cases when MPU may cancel a procurement. This happens where there is no further need for the procurement, and the amount of procurement expenditures has been reduced. The customer is unable to carry out the procurement due to force majeure circumstances. The customer has identified violations of the law that cannot be eliminated. In this case, a description of such violations might be mandatory. If this happens, we have to indicate the reason for the cancellation and publish our decision in Prozoro within 1 business day. After the auction is completed and the winner is selected in the Prozoro system, the contract signing stage begins. Your data is automatically transferred to SAP Ariba, where you will later receive a supplier questionnaire. You indicate general information about the company, bank details, and other data necessary for the contract. Next, we prepare the document and send it to you for signature via the document management system Chasno, or in paper form if your company is non-resident. If you made a mistake when filling out the questionnaire or did not submit it on time, it is not critical. While the submission period is open, you can make changes yourself. If access is already closed, contact the system administrator to restore it. So let's summarize. Now you know how the public procurement system works, what regulations regulate it, how market consultations are held, how to use SAP Ariba, what procedures MPU applies, and what documents you need to participate. And this means that you're ready to bid. If you have any questions, please contact us for a consultation and follow our social media for up-to-date information.